Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. First thing, going to do some house cleaning, just get rid of these lines. With today's downwards movement, those levels up there, they do pertain. They're just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible from the annotation standpoint. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what's played out here. For those of you that have watched the past videos, talked about 86 cents as that overarching level of support, but with the price breaking down below it today, at that point you'd expect it to act as resistance, and that's exactly what happened. Acted as resistance a couple times there, and then during the last 30 minutes, once again, acted as resistance. Good news is that the price is, well within striking distance of it, so it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price potentially get back up above it on Monday. But again, just because the price is within striking distance, that also doesn't guarantee that for sure the price is going up there. My point is, it's a valid thought to have that, it's very possible that there could be a breakout to the upside. So 86 cents, like I said, that very near-term level of resistance, more so the overarching level of resistance now becomes that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. So as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself lower and lower. So right now valued at 93 cents, but again, because that line is going to move downwards, that value is also going to decrease as time plays out. So watch those couple levels from the resistance side of things. As far as areas of support, it's been a while since the price has been down this low, so I want to squeeze down the chart here, and I believe where it bounces, a prime area where you would want to have seen it have bounced. Yeah, right there at 81 cents. Why do I say that? Well, if you go through the history of things, you can see 81 was this former area of resistance right here. And again, foundational rule in charting, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So you fast forward to today, and great to see 81 cents did indeed hold as support. So watch a close eye on that, because if the price goes down there and then starts to break below 81 cents, at that point, that would be a major red flag. That's something severely wrong with the chart. Right now, yeah, things are looking shaky, but the price does have the opportunity to stay up above that pink line there, the 200-period moving average. But damage control would definitely be a good way to summarize this going into next week. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.